Hi and welcome to a little snipping tool tutorial. This is what the snipping tool icon looks like, but if you don't have it pinned to your taskbar, you can always search for it. Just type in snip and it should pop up. Then when you're ready to take the picture, you go new, but firstly, choose what you want to take a picture of. So say, for example, you had some written work that you wanted to talk about, you'd open it, you'd zoom into whatever size you want to take a picture of, then you'd go new and you'd click and drag around the bit you want, and when you let go it pops open in the snipping tool. Now as to what you do next, you can annotate things using the snipping tool. You just like draw on them, that kind of thing. If you don't like what you drew, use the eraser and get rid of it. You can also, if you can click on this to copy, but actually it's already on the clipboard, so if I went to a Word document now and clicked paste, it would put itself there. Or you can save it, and to put into a movie you need to save it, so you just click save snip, give it a name and save it somewhere where you can find it again. Next thing, some more examples of things you might want to take photos of. You can take a snip of anything, for example a movie maker project you've been working on. You can take a screenshot of that. A 3D shape, move it around, move it around to make sure you're happy with the view of it, take a picture of it. That would probably be in Tinkercad, all that kind of stuff. Hope that helps. Take some pictures, get ready to make your movie. Ta-ta.